Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Eli Weaver, better known in crime documentaries as the Amish Stud who plotted his wife's murder. The case shocked many. So, where is Eli Weaver now? Let's break it all down. Eli Weaver was a man who lived in Ohio and was part of the Amish community. He became infamous in 2009 when his wife Barbara Weaver was found shot to death in their home. Subsequent investigations exposed Eli's infidelity, secret cell phone use, and a conspiracy with his mistress, Barbara Weaver, to commit the murder. He eventually pleaded guilty to complicity to commit murder in exchange for testifying against Weaver. After pleading guilty to the reduced charge, Weaver was sentenced to 15 years to life in prison. His sentence carried the possibility of parole. The story became widely covered in true crime media, and it was dramatized in the film Amish Stud, the Eli Weaver story. Where is Eli Weaver now? As of the latest records, Eli Weaver is incarcerated at the Grafton Correctional Institution in Ohio. He remains under that sentence and is in prison. He became eligible for parole in June 2024. Public information does not confirm whether he was granted parole or released, so his status remains as serving time at Grafton. Eli Weaver's case is a haunting reminder that betrayal, secrecy, and community expectations can spiral into tragedy. His trajectory, from community member to convicted accomplice, is often cited in discussions about crime within closed religious communities. Whether or not he ever walks free, he's likely to remain a controversial figure in true crime circles for many years to come.